Now we will have we will open the view.java. We will see database. We have view. Okay, we should see view.java. In view.java, we will have a new class for the database, class db, and we have private prepared statement st is equal to null. Okay, this is to generate the statements as SQL statements. Private string driver is equal to com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. Okay, we will use MySQL. Then private data member string URL is equal to jdbc colon mysql colon / localhost colon 3306 / this is MySQL default port. Okay, now string db is equal to, we have created db java db. We have string user is equal to root. We have string password is equal to empty. String, we have here string, we have here string. Okay, now we have another object, print writer, to output out is equal to null. Okay, now we create the public function and connection. It will return connection getCon. Okay, this will be the function, and this function throws exception. getCon throws servlet exception. Throws servlet exception we have this. Servlet exception, and we will have inside the try and catch. Okay, try catch exception E class dot for name driver. Okay, to set the class driver class, and we have connection is equal to, we will set driver manager dot get connection URL plus db comma user comma password. Okay, so we will pass this and we return this connection. Okay, we return this connection. Now if we see catch exception E, just write this or write some print statement here. Okay, return con and return con here also. Okay, if there is exception, you can print there is a connection error, right? Now we have this print stack trace. You can use print stack trace, right? Now we have this. Now for MySQL, we have import java.sql.all. Okay, and we have any other error? We have, now there is no error. Okay, servlet exception. Servlet exception. Because we have, this is servlet exception, right? Now there is con error. Con is connection. Con is not defined. Okay, so it should be connection con. Okay, so this is our database class. It will return the, okay, this return statement is inside this. It will return the connection for us, database connection for us. Return con. Okay, okay, we should write here connection con is equal to null. Okay, and we should delete this. To remove the error, we should delete this, right? Now there is no error, and we save it. Now next is we create view class. Okay, we create the view class. View will display the record. View will display the record, right?